But time now to wrap this edition of Closing Trades. It's a goodbye from me and Snehi and the entire team. But before that, let's quickly go across to Ashesha, who's standing by to tell us that how did the market pan out in today's trading session? Which were the top movers and gainers as well? Ashesha.
Well, yes, Trishti, it was largely a range-bound trading session, although in the last 1.5 hour of trade, we did decline a tad bit only to recover by the end of today's trading session. Nifty is ending 45 points lower near that 25,477 mark. Nifty Bank down nearly 0.2% as we speak. That should also come up for you on your screens. In fact, it's absolutely flat, down nearly 50 odd points. Nifty Small and Mid Cap Index should also come up, that were also under pressure. Nifty Mid Cap Index down 84 points. Nifty Small Cap Index, though, on the flip side, was outperforming in trade today, up 0.6%. So some kind of divergence in the broader markets is what we saw. In terms of individual stocks on the Nifty 50 index, we had HCL Tech, which was the biggest gainer in today's trading session. We had some other stocks, the likes of Tata Steel, Hindalco, Reliance Industries, Tech Mahindra. HCL Tech down 2%, the biggest loser on the Nifty 50 index. Tata Steel down 1.5%, Hindalco, RIL and Tech Mahindra. These were also some of the top losers from the Nifty 50 pack. On the gaining side, though, we had Shriram Finance, which is ending with some amount of gains in today's trading session. The biggest gainer over here, Bajaj Finance, Coal India, HCL, Ultratech Cement. These were also some of the other gainers from the benchmark index. In terms of individual sectors, FMCG index was bucking the trend, up 0.8%. Imami, Dabur, Varun Beverages, all of these stocks were gaining in trade today. In terms of newsmakers, let's put the spotlight on Union Bank of India, where it came out with its operational update for the quarter gone by. On a sequential basis, it has reported a decline in its deposit and business growth, because of which Union Bank of India is ending with a downtick of nearly 3.5%. Phoenix Mills, Nomura came out with a report. They are maintaining their reduced target with a target price of 1,400 rupees per share. Phoenix Mills down 3.5%. Delivery, after Motilal Oswal came out with a report, they initiated coverage with a buy rating. 480 rupees is the target price. So Delivery, this stock was gaining 2.5% on the back of this report. Dixon Technology, because one of its subsidiary entered into a joint venture, and JP Morgan in fact also came out with a report where they are maintaining their overweight rating. 17,700 rupees is the target price. On the back of both these news pieces, we have Dixon Tech, which is ending 1.5% higher. A whole host of consumer staple stocks were also in focus on the back of a Jefferies report. They came out with their report where they believe that fundamentals continue to remain very strong. We could perhaps see turnaround in this sector. So we had HCL, Varun Beverages and Asian Paints in focus on the back of that. We also had Tata Steel and JSW Steel. They came out with their operational update for the quarter gone by. Tata Steel, remember, operational update were largely in line. JSW Steel ending the day 0.3% lower. So a whole host of individual buzzers from the broader market. From the index level, though, we're ending very flat. 25,464 is where we are currently ending, down 60 points. And Nifty Bank also shared nearly 40 to 45 points in today's trading session. But that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. More news and updates will come up on the other side. Don't go anywhere.